Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's quickly go through this poll that US made on her X handle. As you can see here, 12 hours ago, as of time of recording this video. And I saw it before, but I was a kind of busy. That's why I'm bringing it to you somehow late, but no time is late. Let us just go through it now. So, as you can see here, she said breaking. Yes, the official constitution of the United States of Biafra USB is on Amazon. Wow. Do you understand? Amazon is a kind of one of the world class trading platform that you can buy, you can purchase anything around the world from using this Amazon. I don't think there's any country restricted from Amazon. Everybody can buy something here. Now, and for you to know, for you to place a commodity or an item or anything at all on Amazon, it will be well checked, well verified. Do you understand? So you cannot just go and start selling in something that is fake. Everything there is legit. It's well managed. So you understand why people are rejoicing about this. Now listen. The world has recognized the Constitution of the United States of Biafra as a sovereign state headed by Prime Minister Simon Ekpa and the leader Mazamune Kano. Then she said, click on the link and obtain your copies and study it as Biafrans start going home to build one of the best countries in the world based on the content of this constitution. And this content is the reason why you need to purchase it and get your copy to read it, to understand what Biafrans intend to do, and the motive of this constitution and the agenda. But that brings me to those who always argue about what are you talking about. You say that you're not a nation. Where is your country? You say, are you in control of your land? But remember, they agree that the constitution is real. They accept on that. They agree to that, but they don't want you to accept that you are not a nation. The question is, can you have a constitution while you are in exile? Like you don't. Where will you practice that constitution that you have? I'm not telling that. I'm just using their own analogy because they always want you to believe that you cannot say that you are this. Like when you said that the governor, so they say, "Oh, governor of where?" Where you say you're a governor. Are you in charge of your land? But you also not in charge of your land when you draft a constitution. Now listen, this is not to tell you that the constitution they draft the constitution at the wrong time. No, but I just want you to understand that when they make that argument, it's of no use because you cannot accept something similar and deny to accept the other one that is, I mean, that is the same thing with what you accepted. Yeah, because constitution supposed difference supposed to have their constitution, whether SI or not SI. That's number one. Because you have to start making use of the constitution. That is a way to prove to the world that you are ready to govern yourself, you are ready to be on your own. Then it's the same thing when you say that you are United States of Biafra, that you also make the world to understand truly you are ready to be a country of your own, even though no country will be given, unless in European country, or as long as Africa is concerned, before a year. That's number one. You see how when Scotland wanted to move away from England, from Britain, they organized self-referendum. It went peacefully. Nobody argued, nobody pioneered, no riot, no protest, right? Then when Britain wanted to leave EU, it was peaceful, no argument, nobody agitated because it is their right, they obey constitution. But bring that system, the same system to Africa. They will tell you that you cannot. The same people who organized the one in Europe, like England, Britain to leave European Union, they will also, these Europeans will also stand behind pushing wrong narrative for you to start buying yourself, believing that you are fighting yourself. That's why they tell you that. Just imagine how they're using your sense as an African. A group of people will come to you and tell you that there's a strength in your diversity, that there's a strength in your diversity. But when you check your news or refresh your phone or check your news platforms, you will hear that breaking news: Britain have actually moved away from the European Union. Okay, so the same Britain they're telling you that there's a strength in your diversity. So, but that strength in diversity does not apply for people, countries, and group of people in Europe. It can only exist in Africa. That strength in diversity. Scotland is having their own currency and everything. They have their own banking system. They're living like a country in a country. Do you know why they said United States of Britain? Like call it a United Kingdom rather. That United Kingdom means different kingdoms that united to become one country. Do you get the point? But in that United Kingdom, every kingdom maintain its land. Like that's why you see they have their own national team. They have their own banking system. They are just united in maybe for military purposes to share some things in common. Not totally one country like some of us make it to be, but bring it to Africa. They will tell you that anybody that's talked about where you come from, that person is a separatist. That person is a division, causing division, inciting violence. Like the one that holding PM now, inciting violence. For what one? That my people, my mother, my sister, my siblings went to farmland and somebody that traveled miles away, hours from his own zone to mine, and buy them in cold blood, and they will tell you that you are brothers. They have right to move from place to place. No country in Europe, I mean, no country, not even in next world, will take that kind of thing from anybody. It's not possible. They don't do that, but they will tell you to do that because that's strength in your diversity. Now let's go back to the issue at hand. The Constitution of the United States of Biafra is now on sale in Amazon, and you may not believe it, but the link is here. All right, this is the Constitution. Okay, before you know, you can see it. You can see how the whole thing looks. Very, very nice, isn't it? Then when you click here, for example, now this is inside the Amazon. When you click, it will bring you here, and you can now go through. This is Constitution, as you can see here. Okay, you can see here. Then if you want to read sample here, you can read sample, and this is the size of the item that you want to purchase. As you can see here, everything that made it clear to you that is written in English. Okay, so this is Amazon, where if you want to order, this is it, and you place your order here from Amazon. Just follow the link. It will bring you where you can order, and they will deliver it to you anywhere you are around the world. It's not something that is confusing at all. It is well self-explanatory. So this is it, my people. I just want to share it with you. And back to those who don't understand what they are talking about to defend anything at all. Remember yesterday on our live broadcast, we played a video of Nkiru, who normally teach you how to what multi video convention that PM talked about what it means. She just admitted that she had been following COS, no, sorry, not COS, Mas Namado Kano, and that she's not out yet. She's not doing what she's doing. She's not out to support PM. That she's out to support Ogenkere. So she believe in Ogenkere, not PM, and she believe in Mazamanakano, not PM. But all her posts and all her talk is PM, multi-video convention and all that. It was PM that lectured Biafran that, and this woman she's not in support of PM even today. She said it clear that she's doing what she's doing because things are not working, so she has to jump in to support Ogenkere, not PM. So people question her, and in my all my live stream, and I will be talking about it. That I will try my best to be touching that. And our brother reminded me of something yesterday that we should always remind our people about the three out that Arias talked about. So, which is the redeclaration and the restoration and the recognition. And in this 3 hours, Biafra have been redeclared, right? Then the issue of restoration is what Ogenkere interrupted. by trying his best to talk to men on ground and all that. All of you know what happened. If you don't know, then you are lying to yourself. Unless you just jump from DS and you just cross border, like in Kiru, Helen Peters, and Eunice PB, and many of them that are hide behind DOS and DOS people and obedient people. They are now with the Ogenkere. And they will be the first to tell you, oh, you DOS. Imagine in Kiru sitting on a platform, on a live program, and Sana Barawa on his camera begin to tell you that Ngozi Abes is working with the Caterpillar and the Sampere and all of them DOS and all that. Imagine that kind of thing. And the DOS agent is with you, and you know that this one can go at any length to deceive people, but all I want you to do is to open your eyes so that you can connect the dot easily and sharply. God bless you, my people, and make sure you like the video. I know that you have not liked the video. Like the video. It will not take any money, deduct any money from your account. Click on the like button and share it to many platforms of your choice so that people will know that USB government, United States of Biafran Constitution is on sale on Amazon. God bless you. Bye bye for now.